So what's up, guys? I am Danay. So if you have not been to this channel before, welcome. If you have, welcome back. I hope you subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below what you think about this video. But today I wanted to come to you today barefaced and natural and showing it all because I wanted to try out these products that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I was in Dollar Tree and I just happened to be walking down the makeup aisle looking for my spray bottle, and I came across all this stuff. Why not do a Dollar Tree makeup haul? Test and try. I'm gonna see if they changed it because the pig base ain't used to show up, but I'm gonna see if they show up today. Came across this LA Colors palette. This is one of the first palettes I came off of. Very pretty and playful, and that's what the palette is called, Playful. I like this one because it has like these browns. It's a little bit more natural and neutral, and this one is called HAUTE. I'm gonna first swatch my HAUTE palette first. What can I expect from a Dollar Tree product, though? Let's be real. What? Kai, what did you expect? What did you really expect from this Kaya? You need to think about this stuff the next time, because you just be doing stuff. Kai, you just be doing stuff I don't know what. It looks like a lighter version of this color. So this looks like just a bunch of metals. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, and then it looks like they tried to be as inclusive as they can without making too many products. So I feel like they did the bottom half of it for darker skinned girls, and then the latter half for lighter skinned girls. This palette, which is the Playful one, which is lighter.
Again, one side on the bottom, this purple one, which I think is one of the prettiest. Make sure I get it good. That's pretty.
I need to stop playing like, I really do need to stop playing like this is Dollar Tree makeup. Like, you really thought they was gonna put their all into it? Come on, sis. Come on, sis. What did I expect? I also saw that Benefit, I think it's Benefit Cosmetics, I'm gonna make sure. But they released a cheaper line into the Dollar Tree, so these are the products I'm most excited about trying. I have a blush, what's the blush called? Called MERLOT. This is just one of the blushes that they had. This is the pencil. This is the pencil, and that's really pretty. Kaya, you thought you was gonna get full pigmented colors? Like, what were you thinking? Okay. Some of those turned out really nice. They are getting better, I will say that, than what they used to be. Honestly, don't know what I was expecting out of these products. I mean, they are from the Dollar Tree. Some of them turned out really nice, and I will continue to use them for certain stuff, like that brown color. I did use that for a highlight. But, I mean, they were only $1, so what can I expect? It wasn't really that much of a loss for me. But I did go on to create a full face using all of these products. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting that next week. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Bye.